What's up guys, today we will see how to create a table. So let's start. We are on our screen. So I create one program for I in range 1 to 11. Starting number 1 and stopping number 11. Okay. And I print 3 tables. Okay. I multiply Control plus Alt plus N, and this is will run. So you will see the output. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12. So you can see this program, and I can printing the more tables like a 4. You see 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12. Done. So you can create the tables in the